Let's take a look at gold and silver. I've got gold on the weekly chart over here. Previously we identified this green box 1730 roughly till 1680, and this has been a good buying opportunity for the last 2 years. Look at this over here, and then we saw a pump again in this region and pump. So yeah, this area has been important, and again we are seeing a sort of a double bottom happening here. The 100 moving average in purple over here, this is very important. Look at this, we found good support over here, and again we came here, tested this. Look at this wick touching the purple line and then going back up. So yeah, this is still acting as a good support. If next week gold starts pumping, then of course first target can be 1790, 1780 roughly, the green, which is the 50 moving average. Moving over to the daily chart, as soon as we reach this price area roughly 1690, last time also we saw this thing. First it went down to here and then pumped. Look at the same thing happening. We went down and then straight away pumping. Also the RSI on the daily touched the 30 number, which is what the price likes to do. Over here also you can see price going to below 30 and touching 30 here also. 30 RSI being an important metric, and this is of course double bottom forming for gold. Short term target from here can be this area. You can see a lot of volume is collecting here, so roughly 1730 can be short term target, and from here we can go and touch the green moving average 1790 currently. Now quickly heading over to the 4-hour chart, we can see that in the short term this red line, which is the point of control 1735 roughly, will act as a short term resistance, so this can be our first target for selling. Also, if I draw a trend line on the 4-hour chart, you can see there is scope available for further increase in price. Again 1730 appearing to be the number as first target, so whoever bought around the 1695 1690 number would be doing very well right now. Let's take a look at silver now at the weekly chart. For silver, we can see that this range roughly is actually a very interesting range. We try to consolidate over here and then we try to bounce again, long consolidation in this range and then try to bounce. Price just entered this range starting from 18.67 roughly till $14. So if we see a further drop, then maybe we will see some capitulation happening for few days before we start the pump again. Of course, we need to keep an eye on the dollar index, because if dollar index starts correcting and starts coming down, then gold, silver, crypto stocks, all of them will start going up. Price finding resistance at the 200 moving average shown in red over here, and we saw a decline, but price is making a lower low over here and then RSI is making a higher low. So yeah, bullish divergence is forming in this area of interest. We might see a short term increase back towards the 200 moving average roughly at $20. Going over to the daily chart, once again we can find the same thing. Price is making a lower low, but RSI is in an upward fashion. So yeah, bullish divergence is forming on silver. Also, we were trying to follow this trend line, which makes it possible that the price might go up and try to test this at roughly $20. Again, you can see RSI is quite low, so yeah, a lot of scope available for an increase. Quickly moving over to the 4-hour chart, if I draw this trend line on the 4-hour, we can again see some scope available in the short term to go and test 18.5, 18.3. RSI also has got some scope to go to the upside. Going back to the weekly, this area between $14 and $18.7 might prove to be a good buying range, and we might see a increase in price back to $28. But once again, as you can see, markets are very volatile. If you are actively trading, please consider using proper risk management. If you don't know about risk management, you can search on YouTube and find ton of videos and learn from there, but please do that, and good luck trading. Thank you.